Do you want to change your life completely, or at least some part of it? Would you like to create a new reality for yourself? This is a desire most of us have, but how do you change your life? It's a huge question, isn't it? In this short video, I will give you a simple step-by-step process and a technique called Control Alt Delete to start creating the life of your choosing. I will talk about a simple yet powerful process that helped me go from being broke to becoming financially secure, struggling to write an essay to write multiple books, and also a 240-page dissertation for my doctoral studies. From being a nobody selling fabric pieces on the pavement of MG Road in my city to breaking a Guinness World Record in super memory and being recognized as Time's iconic legend for cognitive development. I don't share this to impress you, but to emphasize that if I can do it, so can you. You can achieve whatever you set your eyes on. You may not want to ignore this video because what I share will be simple yet life-changing. Let's begin. Now, to change your life, the first thing you need to do is think about a shadow vision for yourself. What's a shadow vision? It is a vision with the things you do not want in life. It is precisely what I did when I started. I wrote down everything that I did not want in life, the lifestyle that I did not wish to have, the house that I did not want to live in, the vehicle that I did not want to drive, the person I did not want to be. I wrote down what kind of people I wouldn't want to be surrounded by. I also mentioned the health that I wouldn't want to experience. And once you write this down, make sure you don't hate or resist what you have. Before we go to the next step, you may want to download the worksheet, free worksheet, to do this work more deeply. The link for it is in the description. Now let's return to the video. After writing the shadow vision down, I tried living the shadow vision inside my mind. Imagine it as if the shadow vision has become your reality. Visualize everything you do not want to happen as if it were happening now. Feel the discomfort, pain, or misery the shadow vision brings you. Don't worry, you will not manifest it. And I will show you how not to manifest it by teaching you to use the power of negative energy to create a more positive future. Now, continue imagining the shadow vision to the point where you experience the threshold and your mind screams and says, "No, I do not want this, not at all." That is exactly what I did. I felt the pain the shadow vision would bring me if I continued to do what I was doing. Once you hit the threshold, the next step is to pivot. Pivoting is changing direction from your shadow vision towards a compelling vision. Think of a compelling vision for yourself, a life that pulls you towards it, that inspires you and draws you towards it. Imagine the future you want, the house, the cars, the lifestyle, the people you would like to rub your shoulders with, the kind of person you want to become. What character traits would you want for yourself? Would you like to be more dedicated, compassionate, empathetic, or confident? Imagine it and write that down. Don't think whether this is possible for you or not. Right now, I want you just to dream and believe everything is possible for you. Once your compelling vision is written on paper or your gadget, the next step is to write down what you should stop doing. Things like staying away from video games or OTT platforms, movies, staying up late at night, junk food, unhealthy habits, and the apps and websites that drain your energy and destroy your time. And once you write those down, you need to use the Control Alt Delete technique. Now, The word control means to take control of your routine so you can create an alternative reality. That is what the term alt means, creating alternative reality. Finally, delete means deleting everything that doesn't serve you. Your video games, the apps you browse, the websites you go to, the food that is not good for you, the toxic people around you, the toxicity inside you. Everything must be deleted. Now, deleting doesn't mean you should do something to those people. You must understand that I am talking to you metaphorically. Delete means something that is absent in your life. It means you stay away from the disempowering routine and people. Is it going to be easy to do this? Of course not. Why? Because this stuff wasn't meant to be easy. But you have got to take a stand for yourself and do it anyway. Once you have finished writing all the things and experiences you will stay away from, think of where you will show up. That is, write down all the activities you will engage in and the states of body and mind you must experience. Write down how your new routine that creates a new reality will look. What time will you sleep? How early will you get up? Write down the activities you will engage in, like meditation, exercise, choosing the right food, and upskilling yourself. Write down the skills you will learn. Is it sales? Is it persuasion? Is it having more control over yourself? Will you be more empathetic, cheerful, and confident? If you do not know how to access these states, you can always enroll in my Foundation X program that teaches you the exact skills that schools and colleges forgot to teach. Skills that will lead to personal mastery, eventually creating your desired reality. I am launching the program soon. And now, once you have written those activities down, it is time for you to schedule those activities. Once those activities are scheduled, take consistent action with the power of commitment. Commitment teaches you that no matter what mood you are in, you must engage in the expected action. When you follow these principles and ideas, you will see that your new reality is being created and will begin to embrace new changes. You will start changing your life. This is how I went from being a nobody to becoming a somebody. I hope you enjoyed the video and liked the ideas I shared. If you did, please drop a comment and let me know. I would love to read your thoughts. Please subscribe. Make sure you click on the link below to download the free worksheet. I'll see you soon. Until next time, take charge.